ab 575 oil change tool carts. Installation and usage. How to install. First, this is a measuring cup pressure valve open state. In the second step, we pick up the measuring cup, align it with a corresponding interface on the left side of the fuel tank, and rotate it to install it. Then we pick up the air inlet below the measuring cup and connect it to the upper left interface of the fuel tank. The next step is to go to the right side of the fuel tank and pick up the handle to install it in the corresponding screw hole. Congratulations on completing the entire installation process at this step. Waste oil extraction. First, this is the measuring cup pressure valve open. Then we need to press and turn the measuring cup valve to close it. Pick up the oil extraction pipe and connect it to the oil extraction hose. Next, we go to measuring cup and connect the air inlet. Negative pressure reaches more than 200. Open the pumping valve and start pumping oil. When the oil level in the measuring cup reaches the warning line, press the measuring cup valve to discharge the oil into the waste oil tank. How to receive the waste oil. In a safe workplace, move the equipment under the car engine and align the oil pan with the engine oil drain hole. Unscrew the car engine oil drain plug to drain the oil. How to quickly drain waste oil. First, we press and turn the measuring cup switch to close it. Then we go to the oil drain inlet and connect the inlet, then turn on the switch. Next, we take out the oil drain pipe. Then we open the valve switch upwards. Now you can start draining the oil.